Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock journal entries in Tally Prime. First, let's understand why we use a stock journal. It's essential for recording internal inventory movements, such as transferring materials for production or adjusting for wastage. This ensures your stock records accurately reflect physical inventory. We will cover the entire process step by step, making it easy to follow along. To begin, open Tally Prime and navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Vouchers and then press Alt plus F7 for the stock journal. You will see two main sections, Consumption and Production. Choose the correct voucher class if you have multiple defined. Remember to enter the correct date for your transaction, ensuring your records are always up to date. Now, let's add the inventory items. In the Consumption section, list the items being used up, along with their quantities and rates. For example, if you use 10 units of raw material A, enter 10 for quantity. Conversely, in the Production section, detail the finished goods created. Always double-check that the unit of measurement, like kilograms or pieces, is accurate for each item. Before saving, add a concise narration explaining the purpose of the stock journal entry. For instance, transfer of raw materials for batch number 123. This narration is crucial for future auditing and understanding. Take a moment to review all the details you've entered, ensuring everything is correct. Once satisfied, accept and save the voucher. This action will update your inventory and financial reports immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.